Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by taxbuddy.com. And yesterday evening in the post-market report, so I said what happened yesterday is exactly opposite of what happened day before yesterday. And one final thing I did not tell you, the day before yesterday, though Nifty fell 250 points, the last 50-point fall came during the last half an hour. And that's why as soon as our market closed, the Singapore Nifty was showing about 40-50 point higher. Similarly, yesterday, though Nifty shot up 250 points, the last 50 point came during the last half an hour. I thought that was just because of short covering. And I thought today Nifty will fall at least 40-50 point in the beginning. But to my surprise, SGX Nifty is showing flat only. And this is despite the fact that at the time of our market closing yesterday, the Dow future was almost 300 point higher. And after the US market opened, the entire 300 point gain was wiped out and it closed 50 point lower. And Asian markets, they are subdued. Of course, Australian market is higher, but whereas the other markets are down. And Hong Kong and South Korean markets are closed today, so we don't get any much clue. But the China market opened after 2 days of holidays, but it is just down by 0.5%. I think you know that the Chinese markets, it does not give a true reflection. Probably it is controlled by some domestic institutions to bring down the volatility. So, by looking at not so good global cues and looking at the Fed event tonight and SGX Nifty indicating flat opening after shooting up 250 points yesterday, the only reason we can attribute is the huge buying by institutional investors. Yesterday, the FIAs have bought for nearly 1000 plus crore and the domestic institutions have bought for nearly 2000 crore. So together, they have pumped in about 3000 crores. So considering the huge volatility and considering the negative global cues, but this kind of money being pumped in by the institutions shows the confidence of the institutional investors. And somehow I feel, and I've always been telling you, that we have gone through the second wave of corona and the Delta variant of coronavirus may be a problem for many countries, but not for us. And in fact, things are looking very good. The government is planning to allow the foreigners to visit India. In fact, they are planning to give 5 lakh free visas. So that's why the hotel stocks were higher, airline stocks were higher. And everything is looking good economically. So there is no reason for us to fall significantly unless there is some material news. Looking at the open interest, yesterday itself I told you there is a put selling across all the strike prices. And some smart people have created 17,500 short straddle, expecting the markets to be range bound, but I don't think that it's going to be range bound. And so I'll be comfortable selling put option 17,300 and below. So that's what I did yesterday. And that's because in the fall, it took support above 17,300. The same way the call options I'm selling 17,800 and above, and still they are all trading at a very decent premium. And looking at the Bajaj Finance, a fantastic rally. So today maybe too late. So yesterday itself I sold a lot of put options like 17,200 and 7,200, 7,300 put options. They're all trading at a very good premium. Bajaj Finance is one stock where the premiums will be fantastically high. And not to forget one important thing, today is Wednesday, and usually Wednesday trades are highly volatile trades, but just because both Monday and Tuesday the markets were very highly volatile, probably we may not be that volatile today. So yesterday somebody asked me, sir, how was today's market? He called me yesterday evening. How was today's market? Is it U-shape recovery or W-shape recovery? I said it is neither U-shape nor W-shape. It's WWWW recovery. So it was so many times up, down, up, down, up, down, and the volatility killed. And I heard some intraday short straddle traders have lost heavily in the last 2 to 3 trading sessions. And of course, so that is the nature of the business, right? So insurance company take 5,000 rupees insurance from everyone. When somebody died, they have to pay 50 lakh rupees. So paying 50 lakh is not the thing, okay? But after paying 50 lakh also, so they are making profit. So as long as these traders are profitable over a longer period of time, so they should not worry. There is no reason to give up on their conviction about the trades. So anyway, a disclaimer, I am not an intraday trader, so I don't trade intraday short straddles. So let us see how at least the beginning will be good, and because both institutions are net buyers, that too heavily, we have to see who will dare to go short today and who can bring the markets down. And yesterday, usually I come out with a pre-market report and post-market report, 2 reports every day. And some people are asking, sir, is there any possibility you can come mid-market report sometimes in the afternoon? And right now we are struggling with our infrastructure, so maybe definitely it is on consideration. And yesterday I came out with a video around 5 p.m. So what I thought about the headwinds about the market. So surprisingly, that video has done very well, and within a day, more than 110,000 views has come. So from now, I decided to come out with such videos as and when whatever I feel. So I just want to talk. Maybe around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. like that, we will fix a time. So we'll come out with more videos. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.